Go ahead.
Does everyone has respect for math at all? Yes? Oh.
I'm working on it. Almost. Going this way?
Okay, let's get started. First, can anyone name some applications of mathematics in real life? No? I think after this lecture you will have some idea of how mathematics applies in real life. So today's topic is about careers in applied mathematics. First, I will talk about what's the main task of mathematical students do in real life. Second, I will talk about how do they apply math in solving real world problems. Last but not the least, I will name some typical job positions the graduates in mathematical department take. Okay, if you have any questions, you could interrupt me anytime, or we could discuss that after the lecture. Now let's take a look at the main task of mathematical students do in real life. Typically, there are two tasks. Task one is the optimization. This is to say, to obtain the maximum output with the minimal cost. Can you give some examples of this? Qian?
Maybe fishing. You don't want to take too many fish so that there are none left, or maybe not.
Maybe that's one application, I don't know. Here, one application is you could help the airline company to arrange the airlines to avoid bad weather with the minimal cost. I think that's going to be his future research area, right? No. The second task is to do prediction. I think in the last lecture I mentioned some applications in prediction, right? The weather forecast.
Mm-hmm.
Don't remember?
Yep.
And another type of prediction is in the finance company using to predict the price of stocks and decide when to buy or when to sell. It's another type of application. And then let's go to take a look at how to apply mathematics. The procedure is typical, as I mentioned in the last time. First, if we have a problem, then we build a model, mathematical model. The model could be statistical or based on differential equations or some computational geometry, and statistical or differential equation or computational geometry. And if we have the model and we try to implement it, basically to get the solution, we will implement these models on computers. So we have to design related algorithm and test it. And we keep doing this until the result is satisfied. This is how the math is applied in solving real-world problems. And the last but not the least, I will name some typical job operations the mathematical graduates take. One is to be a statistician. A basic job a statistician do is to design experiments, and the average salary is going to be $100,000, and they could get the job position in some medicine company. And the second is to be an actuarial analyst. Their job is to do the risk management in some bank or finance company or insurance company. The starting salary is about $40,000, and if you are good enough, you could get the salary like 6 figures. I don't know. And the third one is to be a research staff. You could take some kind of operation in some energy company or in some institution like NASA. The salary is similar. The start point may be $100,000, and if you are a senior research staff, you can earn about $200,000. Also, you could be software engineer. You could get some job in the big companies like IBM or Google, and the average salary is about $100,000 every year. So today I give some basic knowledge of the application of math in your life and the typical job positions. When you take such kind of jobs, I think the most important things is the skill of modeling and the simulation and the programming and the statistics. Okay. Any questions?
Do all of those job positions require a master's or a doctorate degree?
I think typically you will have one. Typically. But the most important thing is you could do such kind of job. You have such basic skills.
And which of these jobs require good communication skills?
Yeah, sometimes
Any of them?
in the software engineering, you need to design softwares for the customer. So I think the communication is important.
How about for faculty?
Oh, forgot to mention that.
So you should study English and math, right? One more question?
What is the biggest difference between physics and applied math? Because mostly what I know is applied mathematics is working on some physical problems.
Physical?
Yes, maybe I'm wrong.
Yes, some part of applied math is related to physical programs.
But what about the difference between normal math and applied math?
No math is about to make the math theory perfect, and the applied math is about apply math to solve concrete problems from real world.
Good? Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Thank you.